All right, so obviously I'm bored as I'm playing pool by myself a lot lately. That's how I de-stress. So I've always had a shitty break, but I've been YouTubing it, and now I'm breaking decent about 1 in 4 maybe. Oh, okay, here we go. First shot, and here we go. He's gonna shoot for a ball, and he actually makes a shot. It's a little far away. I almost can't even see what that was. I think it was a stripe. I'm gonna do a little combo here. Bop, 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 boom, boom. And I can kind of see the run here. So I'm getting, obviously I'm not nervous because I never get nervous, but I'm like, ooh, I can see this. I can see a little table run here. Now I've never had a table run, believe it or not, as good as I am. And that's because I don't break well. And for years I never cared about ball placement and breaking. You know, there's levels to this game. I was never good at the leaving the ball. I never played enough to care. Just recently in the last year or two have I started to kind of up my game. Basically, after I retired from fighting, then of course, you gotta switch the competition to something else. Can't get hit in the head your whole life. I'm a pretty intelligent guy. I like to keep it that way. And CTE is real, believe it or not. Unfortunately, I do have a little short-term memory issues here and there. Easy little shot here. Nice bridge. I hold my hand kind of funky over that ball. And I've really been working on leaving the cue ball where I'll have another shot. Obviously, this was not a great example of that. But I have been working on it. And not with anything tricky, actually, just standard shooting the ball normally, and then where's the ball going to go after that. Quite simple, actually. Now I'm doing a little rearranging in my house. Almost got the pool table perfectly situated where I won't knock anything over. And I'm pretty good at these little cuts like this, as long as I line it up correctly. And I think I'm getting nervous, and I'm like, okay, I don't have the line. Let's check it one more time. And when I see people who do not actually check the line with the stick, and they just do it with their eyes, and then they miss, I'm like, you don't have the line, you dumbass. Like, top level guys have the line with their eyes. And I just got a little 2-for-1er. That was nice. Which, I don't know if that helped me or hurt me, because it didn't allow me to set myself up for the 8-ball. But, of course, I get another text message. And as soon as I hit this bank, boom, my first ever table run of my life. And here we go. Lines it up. It looks perfect. It's freaking not even close. What a